Now let's see one more behavior of a React component. Inside this demo component, let me remove everything from this return statement and let me put a paragraph. So I put a paragraph here saying hi, and you see that the output is proper. Now let me add another paragraph, paragraph P, and I just say hello. And you see that it starts showing an error. The error is about the adjacent JSX elements not wrapped. It is because when you have more elements inside the returning JSX, it should be wrapped in a single container element. Before React 16.2, we used to just write the division, which was written earlier in this code as well. But now in the newer versions, we also have React.Fragment, which allows us to wrap the children without adding extra nodes to the DOM. So let's try that. So now the error is gone. With the new upgrades of React, now we have even a shorter syntax where you just use the opening and closing angle brackets. Let's try that as well. So here, instead of fragment, I just open these brackets and here I end it. So now you see that the output is same. We have given the container, but we do not give any division or fragment. Still the code is working absolutely fine. Now let's talk about the questions. The first question is, when do you face the error adjacent JSX elements must be wrapped in an enclosing tag? So basically, when the JSX is returning more than one elements, one has to pass all the elements with a container. But if you have separate elements and not a container, you are going to face error. The second question is, explain the purpose of React Fragment. So as I mentioned, React Fragment allows us to wrap the children without adding extra nodes to the DOM. And third question is about this syntax, that is it a valid syntax for the component to return JSX? Absolutely, it is the shorter way of writing the React fragment. So either you write fragment or you just have the open and closing angle brackets and you put the content in between.